Hi everyone, welcome back to Jamaica.
Caana.
First of all, we just want to thank each and every one of our viewers, our subscribers. You have been great. We have been getting a lot of comments. We have been getting feedback, and a lot of you have been subscribing, and for that we greatly appreciate. One of our viewers also asked us for our names, but because it's Jamaica Caana, it's not about us. We did not give our names, but my name is Lyndon. I go by the name of Don King.
And I am Moya, and I go by the name Lady King.
That is correct. So we just want to welcome you back to Jamaica. Another episode of Jamaica Caana. Today, again, it's a lot of fun. So we do have a few categories. I think we have two from the last one we did, which we have
historic sites
and
food again.
That is correct. And we also have a new one. It's a game.
It's called Scrabble, Dabble.
Scrabble, Dabble, and that one was made up by Moya. So I do hope that you will enjoy, play along, because we know this.
A lot of persons were playing along last week, and based on the answers, they were trying to find out if they got the answers as well before it was given, and that was great.
That was great. That was
a lot of fun.
That was great. Yes, so again, this is Jamaica Caana, and as one of our little nephews would say, you good? Yes, we are all good to go. And in Jamaica, if someone should say to you, me soon come back, just wait for me. Try not to do that, because then now come back. Then just now come back. So either you go where you go, or you go where you are. And if you do not know Jamaica, you go to Jamaica and you're asking for direction, and you ask them
just around the corner.
Just around the corner. Please, if you're driving, make sure you have your tank full because you now reach where you go. And if you're walking, make sure you're well rested, and if you have any other place to go after that, make sure that you scrap that plan. That is Jamaica. So again, this is Jamaica Caana, and we want to thank you again and play along. I hope you'll enjoy. So we will, again, our little box. And I'll be picking, or you be picking?
I'm picking this one.
All right. Good. So again, we have got 3 categories. And the first one from the box will be...
Let us see what the first category will be. The first category again is food.
Here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna be the first one to go with food, and as usual, it's Jamaican food. So let's see what we have. Okay, you're not supposed to see my question here. So okay, so I hope you all play along, and let's see what we have. All right, so here we go. So it says, in Jamaica, we don't celebrate Thanksgiving. But if we did, I would be among the number 1 food that's on your plate. As a matter of fact, you see, when my time come around, no question asked, at Jamaica Thanksgiving that. You see, if me and my big friend, they're not there in the place, a World War III. If you think a line you tell, ask the little picnic them. Their mouth would have land from Jamaica to Jerusalem and back. You see all the man them? Their face would have bent up and twist up like old boot. No bother talk about the woman them, because they would have locked down. No hot log up on fire when me dey bout. And me run things. Them say that the taste is in the pudding, but I made them attack. What's my name?
Is it jerk chicken?
No.
Curry goat?
No, ma'am.
Is it meat?
No. No, it's not meat.
Cake?
Be more
Christmas
specific.
cake?
No. Let me go back.
Pudding?
No, ma'am. That's pudding.
It's something that is eaten during Christmas time?
No, it's eaten not Christmas time, but it's a well-known Jamaican. All right, I'm gonna give you an hint. Jamaican pastry.
Cake. Christmas cake.
When me about no
Rum
pot,
cake.
no go on fire. Me bigger yard, me bigger brad. When me and my big friend about, or if me and my big friend not about, the place mash up.
Christmas?
The place mash up.
I'm not sure what that
You're not
is.
sure?
No.
Huh?
I'm not sure what that is.
Oh my goodness, alright. Jamaican spice bun.
Bun is eaten in
Jamaican, no, but well, that's what I'm saying. I didn't say it's Christmas. I said, okay. I said, as a matter of fact, okay, you see when when my time come around, that's my time. I didn't say it's Christmas, but when my time come around, no question asked. A Jamaican Thanksgiving that. He said, you see when me and my big friend, that's me and something else, right? So when me and my big friend, not about. When we're not in the place, a World War III. So Jamaican spice bun, which is known world over. Every Easter, the amount of bun that is eaten, bun and cheese. Yes, so Jamaican spice bun is big on the agenda. So spice bun is Jamaican version of the Babylonian, what is known as hot cross bun. So some people may, if they travel to Europe, they would see that. It's big in England, so hot cross bun. It was brought to Jamaica by the British, and that was in the 1600s, because Jamaica was taken over from the Spanish by the British in 1655. So Jamaican, as usual, they love to turn them hand and make fashion, as Miss Louise Bennett would say, as that's how the Jamaican spice bun came about. So yes, Jamaican bun.
You got me there.
Good. All right, so I hope you guys got that one. So it's your time.
Hey, it's my time for
Yep.
And now, reporting live from Jamaica, Caana News. News just in. The word is out that the famous Saltfish have decided to partner with another yellow company in Jamaica to form a scrumptious and delicious meal. In an interview, Saltfish said he will always be with his beloved Aki,
Oh yes.
but for now he's just enjoying being steamed with his new yellow friend. People have been enjoying us so much, that one parish built a chain of cook shop to meet the demands. Them said it is one of the sweetest things in town. Have you tried it? Well, go and get yours. I am Moya, reporting live from Jamaica, Caana News. What am I?
What am I? So, Saltfish decided to partner with a new friend. So Saltfish left out Aki. Alright, I'm still with Aki.
It's still with Aki.
Still with Aki?
Yes.
Alright.
In an interview, he said that Aki will always be his beloved friend. But
And his new friend is yellow?
yes.
Yellow? New friend, yellow friend. Breadfruit? Yellow hat breadfruit?
No.
His new friend, yellow. Aki. Plantain?
No. It's something that is roasted.
Oh, yam! Oh, yellow yam!
Yes.
Okay, alright, okay. Alright, so yellow
So
yam.
it's yellow roasted
yam, okay.
yam, and this is a meal that is roasted, sometimes in foil paper or just over open fire,
Yes.
and it's served with cooked saltfish,
Yeah.
and sometimes they have melted butter inside of it.
Yeah.
And the famous place or chain of shops is located in Melrose Hill, going to Manchester.
Manchester.
Yes,
Okay. Here you go. Here you go.
So that's
Alright, so that's it. Alright, okay. So moving along.
yellow yam
Yep.
roasted and served with saltfish.
Okay, so yellow yam. I like yellow yam. As a matter of fact, a lot of Jamaicans, when they're making soup, yellow yam is one of the staple food that goes in that soup. There we go. So yellow yam, yellow yam, yellow yam. Okay,
So it's my time to
your turn. Here you go.
It's the final category for
Final
today.
category today for
And it's
the trivia.
historic site.
Historic sites. Okay, now let's see what we have.
I'm supposed to read my historic site.
Yes, that's you.
Okay, listen.
Okay, nice.
To the world, I am dead, but shh, I am still alive. You see, I live to tell the tales of those old days. Just look at me now. I was built in 1778, but I am still standing tall, with a beautiful sight to behold. Everybody hear about me, and I've traveled both near and far to visit me. Today, I beam with pride, because though I was dead, today I am still alive. Who am I?
Who am I? So, I was built in 1778.
78. To the world, I am dead,
The world
but I am still
is
alive.
still alive. You're still alive. And you said this is a place.
In Jamaica, when somebody is dead, what is it that still lives on? Like,
Memories.
yes, memories, but they refer to something like walking around in the community.
Like Dobby?
Yes.
Yeah.
What building will represent something in that line?
Like a shrine or a monument. Or a monument.
Haunting.
Oh! okay. This is right. This is Great House.
Yes. Rose Hall.
Okay. All right.
Okay, so
Okay.
Rose Hall Great House is situated in Montego Bay, St. James, and it was built in 1778 to 1790
Yeah.
by a wealthy British planter by the name of John Palmer. And this was a massive plantation for slaves, over 2,000 slaves. And it is said that the spirit of his wife, Annie Palmer, still lives in the building.
You got me. So that's one for you. Okay, here we go. All right. Okay. Did I live life large, you know? Things that happen for me. Me did so large that me did dip on top. Way up on top. But now, me pop down. Me mash up, man. Me mash up. Large up, mash up. You see? They say me did wicked. Very wicked. But I never me. I me pick me them. You see? The one they call head, I got the one them, we should have called him cop. The wickedness of them, I don't mash me up, you know. Why? My belly roll, till me foot them pop down under me. Me couldn't turn up. So, you know what? Me not telling you more. If you want to hear more about me, look me up in 1692. So, you see how them boy and them girl out there go like them bad? Tell them say, me say, not last forever. Who am I?
There are two things coming to mind. I know that it's not the first one that I'm thinking, because that's I'm thinking about think it is Port Royal.
You're good, Port Royal. I thought so, right? So I mentioned,
because when you spoke about being on top and then
yeah.
The word data is not
Yeah.
operating now.
Okay, so Port Royal, that is correct. So I mentioned black, and I said calico. That's thing I said campus was calico. So black was Blackbeard, calico was Calico Jack, and Henry, I said that the one I should have called him Cock instead of Hen. Henry Cockery. So Henry Morgan. So those are the three Buccaneers that were making I'm telling you so much wicked acts in Port Royal. So those are the three. And I also mentioned 1692. That's when Port Royal was destroyed by an earthquake. So I said, so to all those people they were man like him bad, then I said not the last for him. So Port Royal sunk again in 1692. Now the British, there was a war with the British and the Spanish. The British, they took over Jamaica from the Spanish, and that was in 1655. 1665, it was under, I think, the plan was made by Oliver Cromwell, who was a British admiral. So Oliver Cromwell with Penn and Venables, General Penn and Admiral Venables, they set up what is known as the Western Design. And the Western Design, that was a war fought at a place named Wimbledon, and that was in St. Mary's. They call it the battle site. So 1655, the island was taken over from the Spanish by the British, and so Henry Morgan, Blackbeard, and Calico Jack, they were Buccaneers or pirates from the British era. So there we go.
Yes.
Thank you.
Royal.
That is correct. So now we're gonna move on to
Our new game, which is Scrabble, Dabble.
Scrabble, Dabble. Good. And how this game works is that, all right, we will give you a scrambled word. You're gonna unscramble the word, and from that scrambled word, when we form the correct word, we'll try and get as many words from that word as possible. And then after that, the letters from the word, from the unscrambled word, the letter from that word, we'll use them to associate with places in Jamaica, food, or a person. So let's say, for example, we have cat. The first letter, which is C, try and get a word in Jamaica, maybe a person, a place, or a thing that begins with the letter C, then T, T-A-T, and so on. Okay, great. So here we go. So you will have the first shot.
Okay.
You want to go?
Okay.
All right. So let's see what we have. Okay. Well, you go first.
You want me to give you my answer?
Yeah, you give me your answer.
Okay.
So, yeah. So make sure you got a pen
Ready?
and a paper handy. So we're gonna see which one we have here. This one. Okay. Good. So we're gonna make some notes too. Okay. Good. So let's see what we have. So let me organize here. Okay. So the letter, first letter.
It's F.
F. As in fox. Okay.
T.
T.
B.
B.
D.
E.
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 U.
U.
R.
R.
I.
I.
A.
A.
R.
So long, huh? Alright, let's go back again. F T B D E U R I A R.
Yes, that's
And this is a place. Is it a place?
No, it's not a place.
Is it a place?
Try to unscramble the word first and then I'll tell you what it is.
No? Okay. Alright, it's not a place.
I'm supposed to give you a minute. Not a minute. 30 seconds.
Okay. So just unscramble first, and then I find some words. Okay. Alright, so the word, is it breadfruit?
Yes, the word is breadfruit.
Okay. Alright, so then I find some words?
Yes.
Okay, so let's see what we have here.
15
Okay.
seconds left.
This, okay. Okay. So I got only 1 minute to do all this? Oh my gosh. Okay. So I've got only 2 words. I've got only 2 words. I've got at and bad.
Okay.
Okay. So what do you have?
Good to go.
Alright. So at bad.
Okay, so you're gonna use the words now. So give me something beginning with B.
B. The name of a place or anything?
Yes.
B. Bagua.
Okay, good. R.
R. Runaway day.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. E. Yorton.
Okay.
Okay. A. Alligator pond.
Okay. D.
Goodness. D. Pass.
Okay. F.
F. Folly. And D. You say a place or a name of a person? D. Dennis Brown.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did we say R?
R.
Mm-hmm.
Did you say R?
No.
R.
We're at R now.
R. Running town.
Okay. What about you?
U. Union.
Where? Union. Where's that? Union Square? Brussels?
No, you've got a place. I think it's in St. James. Maybe Union. UNION.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about I?
Irish Town.
What about T?
T.
Final one.
T. Trinity.
Okay. Good. Alright, now it's my time
Alright.
to get your word.
Alright. Okay, so we have. Okay, so breadfruit. Okay, do you want to tell us a little bit about breadfruit or? Yeah?
Okay, breadfruit was introduced to Jamaica by Captain Bligh.
Yeah.
And the first place that it was planted was Bath Botanical Garden.
It's in St. Thomas.
Yes.
Yes.
And this is served as a starch, and it can be roasted, fried, or boiled.
That is correct.
And served with any protein. Rondong, saltfish, ackee and saltfish,
Yellow heart breadfruit.
curry goat,
Yep.
jerk chicken, just about any protein.
There you go. All right. Okay. That's good. So we have here. So this is my Scrabble Dabble. First letter H, then V as in Victor, N as in November, S as in Sierra, D as in Delta, U as in uniform, E as in echo, O as in Oscar, O again as in Oscar, and E as in echo. Okay, I'm gonna give you a hint because it's 2 words.
Okay.
So again, HVNSDUE00E. And you cut me now, so I'm gonna make sure I cut you down too. So let's see what we have. All right, let's see what we
hard
have.
one.
This
is a hard one.
It's a hard one. It's two words. HVNSDUOO. And the letter E. Okay, I'm gonna start it off now. Alright, you go. Alright, okay.
Not getting this. This is a hard one.
15 seconds. It's a place. It's a place. It's a place. It is a place. We've got 30 seconds now. H V N S D U E O O E. It's a place. It's a place. Okay. Kingston. It's in Kingston. Kingston. Your minute is up.
What's the answer?
You need another minute?
No. What's that?
No?
It's hard.
Yeah. Devon House. It's Devon House.
Oh my god.
Devon House. Did you get any words from it?
I got sun and dew.
Okay. Sun and dew. But that's D-U-E, right? Okay. What else you had?
Those are 2 words. I was just trying to
Okay.
figure out what the word was.
Okay. So we've got a few words here. Do. We've got sun. You got sun. You're good. We've got sea. We've got dawn. Dew. I've got dew. So. Sue. Like when you sue someone. Okay. And then we've got here. Which you said dew. D-U-E. Right. Hood. Right. H-O-D. Dove. Shoe. Duo. Like 2 people. Need. And one. Number 1. Alright? Okay. So, Devon House. Devon House was made in 1881. If you go research on Devon House, some of the articles have it that Devon House was built in 1891. Devon House was actually built in 1881. And it was owned by a gentleman by the name of George Stiebel. George Stiebel was the son of a German Jew, and his mother was a Jamaican housekeeper. But he was the first Jamaican black man to become a millionaire. At Devon House, it's a beautiful place. If you've never been there, check it out.
Known around
Yes.
the world for its famous ice cream.
I'm telling you, when we go like on Sunday, we have one in Sunday, beautiful place. They go for, if you're just going to go for a little walk, if you're going to go picnic, yes. I think they do weddings there too.
Yes.
Yeah, weddings, and you have banquets, and also it's located on Hope Road, and also it's a museum. They've got the museum there with so much artifacts, even things from Port Royal. So if you want to go check out Dabble House, it's a beautiful place, a place to go. And yes, that's Scrabble Dabble today. There you go.
Oh, I didn't go through with my
with your okay. All right, so we've got the first letter H. Hanover. You're good with the V. Vinegar, okay, good. And we have N. Pass, okay. S.
St. Mary, St. Catherine.
Good. D.
Devon House.
Okay. U.
Union Square.
Union Square, okay, good. E.
Pass.
Okay. O.
Orange Bay.
O.
Hanover.
And O again.
Okro.
O and E.
Did I say E already?
No, this is you gave one E already.
Edmund Bartlett, who is the
tourism minister. Okay, Minister of Tourism. Okay, good. All right, that's good. So the only one you didn't get was N, right?
N.
Yeah. You want to try that again?
Norman Manley Airport.
Good. The first one come to mind is N, Newcastle.
Okay.
Yeah, N. Yes, you see, N, and then you've got the first hope that came to me was Old Curious.
Oh my God.
Good, okay. So I hope you guys played along, and I hope you guys got some of those, words from Scrabble Dabble. All right, so thank you again for watching, and please
like, share, and subscribe.
Good.
And for next week trivia quizzes and Scrabble Dabble, we'd like to allow you to participate.
Okay.
So we're going to ask you to send in your questions to our email address that we'll be putting in the information box.
Okay, good.
And you can also put your questions in your comments. So we'll read your questions next week and try to answer.
Okay, good. And the email is Jamaica, Jamaica, Caana, Caana @gmail.com. All right. And thank you once again for watching another episode of
Jamaica,
Caana. Again, stay safe. Adhere to the protocol set in place for COVID pandemic. Washing of hands, proper hygiene, wearing your
mask,
good, and social distancing. Thank you once again, and bye for now. And
peace.
And
peace.
bye-bye.